The Fox Cities Amateur Radio Club held their field day at the Greenville Grange in Greenville, Wisconsin. Construction of the field day site started about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The main tent and SSB tent went up rather quickly. The CW station was housed in a utility trailer, and the GOTA station, quite frankly, just drove up. We used multiple antennas this year at field day. Here's our phased 40-meter vertical dipoles, as well as an inverted V and a multiband vertical for the sideband station. For the CW station, we ran a multiband dipole. And for the GOTA station, we ran a multiband coil dipole. As it started getting closer to 1 o'clock, the parking lot started to fill up. Well, after a quick strategy meeting and a few double checks on the generators, we were ready to go. Well, the sideband station started out quite well and made quite a few contacts right off the bat, as well as the CW station. The numbers coming out of the CW station were amazing, and the GOTA station got its work out as well. Shortly after the start of field day, the Boy Scouts showed up to get their merit badge. We had quite the array of stuff for them to do. Well, the sideband station kept making contacts and breaking through those pileups, and the CW station kept hitting that brass and driving our contact numbers well into 300. As we started getting near nightfall, reports of storms coming our way. We continued to operate until almost 3 a.m. Well, the storm got very intense, so we had to shut down. The radar looked pretty ominous. By the next morning, most of the antennas were partially underwater, as well as the tent and the station itself were all partially underwater. It was even hard to retrieve the generator off in the distance. Nothing a pair of shorts and some bare feet can't handle. So after retrieving the equipment and setting it up by a table, we got on the multiband vertical, and the sideband station was up and running again. And the CW station continued to run, as they were mostly out of the water. The Fox Cities Amateur Radio Club sees field day as more of a social event, getting together with fellow hams and making some contacts as we go along. Even though we had the rain, it was still a successful event. 7-3s from the Greenville Grange in Greenville, Wisconsin, from the Fox Cities Amateur Radio Club.